Hey, what's up guys? I'm Mr. Chris with infotainment.com. Today we are in a 21 plus body style Chevy Suburban that has a problem with its rear seat entertainment. It's kind of hard to see here, but there is a crack going across this LCD screen. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this out and we're gonna replace it with a brand new screen. We offer repair service as well as replace service. So if your screen is cracked or broken, we offer a couple of options. One is a repair service that if you don't mind missing a screen for a couple days while we do the repair, you can remove the screen, send it to us, we'll repair it and send it back to you. Or we offer a core replacement service. So you can order a full replacement screen that will ship to you. When you swap the new screen in, you can take your original broken screen out and send it back to us for a core refund. So a couple of options that we have for you on this vehicle. We're actually gonna swap this out. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to remove this screen, which is pretty straightforward. And then we'll get the new screen in here and show you what it looks like. All right, so where we're gonna start is on the front side of your seat. We have to pull up your headrest to gain access to the rear seat entertainment or the rear seat video. I'm gonna tilt this screen down and that'll give me a little lip underneath this plastic cover to just kind of pull up and downwards. Just a bunch of clips that are holding that on, and it's grooved on the top, so you slide it in and then press forward when you're going back in. So when you remove it, pop out and pull down, so you don't break those little tabs off on the top. Then we have this other lower plastic piece, which will also just pop up and out. All right, now we have exposed our connectors, one on either side. This is the passenger side one. The driver's side would only have one connector, but you have 4 5/16 nuts back here that we have to remove. But to make my life easier, I'm gonna remove the wiring first. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I got a little panel tool here and my pick tool. I'm gonna stick my panel tool on the back side of this wire clip here, and then on the inside you have a couple more little clips that you can kind of mush out of the way, and that'll allow you to pull that to the side. And we got another one of these, so we're going to do that on the other side. All right, we got both of those out, and now we need to pull this little connector down on either side. And that'll allow us to depress the little button in the middle and pull our wires out. All right, now all we're left with is the 4 5/16 nuts. We'll pull these off. And for this last one, I'm gonna support the screen so I don't drop it. Pull forward, and now we're ready to get our screen repaired. All right, we went ahead and picked up our brand new replacement screen. We're gonna go ahead and get that reinstalled now. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and slide our screen in. I'm still working from the front side of our front seat. And keep that screen supported with one arm, and I can go ahead and thread on the 4 nuts on the back side. All right, now we're ready to plug our wires back in. Like that. Make sure to push the little locks back into place as well. All right, and then we'll push down our little wire stays. You got one on both sides. All right, now for the lower plastic cover, just to show you what's going on in there, there's a couple of grooves on this side that kind of line up and go over these 2 uprights down here. So you're gonna wanna make sure that you don't just push it forward, but you kind of line it up and then press it down. Just like that. It should be very easy to go back on. If you have resistance, just kind of line it up and get it in the right position. All right, and for the last cover, like I mentioned earlier, you're gonna wanna slide up first and then press forward. That snaps into place and we're good to go. I'll put the headrest back down and we'll turn it on and see what it looks like. All right, as you can see, we got our install completed. We have our new screen mounted up. Everything works and it looks great. No more crack on our screen. So our customer is going to be really happy that we got that swapped out for them. If you like this video and you want to see more just like it, be sure to head back to infotainment.com. Thanks for watching, guys.